Welcome to my channel. I am Ben, the business analyst expert. In today's video, I'm going to share with you the basic H1B visa information and everything about the H1B visa. Before moving to the main content, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to get the latest updates of our channel. So moving onwards, in today's video, we will tell you everything about the H1B visa, including the introduction of an H1B visa, eligibility to apply for an H1B visa, the period H1B visa granted for stay, and many more. So, let's move on. The U.S. H1B visa is a non-immigrant visa that allows U.S. companies to employ graduate-level workers in specialty occupations that require theoretical or technical expertise in specialized fields such as in IT, finance, accounting, architecture, engineering, and other departments. Any professional-level job that usually requires you to have a bachelor's degree or higher can come under the H1B visa for specialty occupations. If you do not have a bachelor's degree or higher, then you may be able to show degree equivalence through work experience and/or other qualifications. Applying for a non-immigrant visa is generally quicker than applying for a U.S. green card. Therefore, the H1B visa is popular for companies wishing to bring in staff for long-term assignments in the U.S. However, because of a lack of available visa, employers frequently have to look at applying for other visa categories, such as the L1B for specialized workers, L1A for managers and executives, E2 treaty investor visas, E1 treaty trader visa, E3 for Australians, etc. H1B visas are subject to an annual visa cap each financial year. U.S. employers can begin applying for the H1B visa 6 months before the actual start date of the visa. Current immigration law allows for a total of 85,000 new H1B visas to be made available each government fiscal year. This number includes 65,000 new H1B visas available for overseas workers in specialty, professional level occupations with at least a bachelor's degree, with an additional 20,000 visas available for those specialty workers with an advanced degree from a U.S. academic institution. In recent years, the H1B visa cap has been heavily oversubscribed near the beginning of April each year. Eligibility. Talking about eligibility for special occupation, the job must meet one of the following criteria to qualify as a specialty occupation. 1. Have a minimum entry requirement of a bachelor's or higher degree or its equivalent. 2. The degree requirement for the job is common to the industry or the job is so complex or unique that it can be performed only by an individual with a degree. 3. The employer normally requires a degree or its equivalent for the position. 4. The nature of the specific duties is so specialized and complex that the knowledge required to perform the duties is usually associated with the attainment of a bachelor's or higher degree. However, for the employee qualifications, the job must meet one of the following criteria to qualify as an employee qualification. 1. Have completed a U.S. bachelor's or higher degree required by the specific specialty occupation from an accredited college or university. 2. Hold a foreign degree that is equivalent to U.S. bachelor's or higher degree in the specialty occupation. 3. Hold an unrestricted state license, registration, or certification which authorizes you to fully practice the specialty occupation and be engaged in that specialty in the state of intended employment. 4. Have education, training, or experience in the specialty that is equivalent to the completion of such a degree, and have recognition of expertise in the specialty through progressively responsible positions directly related to the specialty. Positions that are not specialty occupations, or for which the candidate lacks the qualifications experience for an H1B visa, may be filed using an H2B visa. Also, applicants that are not eligible for H1B visas may want to consult our L1 visa page. The L1B visa, a non-immigrant visa, which allows companies operating both in the U.S. and abroad to transfer certain classes of employee from its foreign operations to their U.S. operations for up to 5 years. The employee must have worked for a subsidiary, parent, affiliate, or branch office of your U.S. company outside of the U.S. for at least 1 year out of the last 3 years. Family concern. Nowadays, everyone wants to bring his family to her living country. H1B visa holders can bring their spouse and children less than 21 years of age to the U.S. under the H4 visa category as dependents. Staying period. H1B visa gives you so much flexibility with lengths of stay. The H1B visa is initially granted for up to 3 years, but may then be extended to a maximum of 6 years. Even though the H1B is a non-immigrant visa, it is one of the few U.S. visa categories recognized as dual intent, meaning the H1B visa holder can apply for and obtain a U.S. green card while in the U.S. on an H1B visa. If you are still in the U.S. on an H1B visa and wish to remain in the U.S. for more than 6 years, you can apply for permanent residency in the U.S. to receive a green card. If you do not gain permanent residency before the expiration of your H1B visa, then you must live outside the U.S. for at least 1 year before reapplying for another H or L visa. So, all right guys, this is all we bring for you regarding the H1B visa. I hope this video has added value in your knowledge and you guys will make use of an H1B visa and all the information regarding it. Please comment below if there is a subject you would want us to cover in our next videos. Please subscribe to my channel if you have not done it yet, and don't forget to click the notification button. I hope you guys learned and enjoyed this video. Thank you, and have a great day.